Oh my gosh! What? I hit her and her eyes open. That was scary.
Have you anything to say on this matter, Amber?
Sit.
You're going to die.
Anything else?
It's waking you up out of love. Oh God.
We love you.
Is that a Never mind. Hello.
Should we let you sleep out of love instead?
Is it a little bit like
I think
scary?
she's dead. I think she's going to come back. Oh crap!
Why do you want to
She's gonna kill us.
She's sending off my sister to Cuba.
Who are you talking to?
I packed my sister up to Cuba and put her there. Mom went to pick her up. Mom's picking up my sister, you idiot. My sister. I don't know. She just said she was going to pick up my sister. I'm staying here with my friends.
Oh. Don't talk to total strangers.
Okay, I will. Alright, bye-bye.
It's like,
Who was that?
Lori.
Who's Lori?
My aunt.
Oh. Put the groove on, Katie.
you love me.
Hello, Winglock. We love you. You want to see the camera? The camera loves you. The camera loves you. It loves you. You're going to be a rock star. I'm just being nice to your doggy and making him a rock star.
Love me more.
No! Oh gosh, what did I miss in here? Do it again. Reenact it.
Oh.
You missed when she tried to beat my face in with a pillow.
Do it again, Amber. Reenact it.
No.
No, not with me.
No. You know, it's kind of sad. You're kind of winning in the pillow fight, and I'm not. And you're like,
You keep missing, Ashley.
I hit her.
Emma, you come dangerously close to the dog. Amber.
I think we finally awakened the beast.
I came dangerously close to her to the
Does anyone have anything more to say for this clip before I turn the video off? Okay, apparently that's another statement.
We look to the ears and close.
At least you hit her that time. Anyone else have a final closing statement? Winglock?
Winglock's scared.
Katie?
I'm scared too.
Amber? Furniture. Coffee table. TV. Chair. Pillows. My feet. Katie's feet. Ashley's feet. No, not the chair. Come on, someone give me a closing statement.
I'm scared.
I got one.
Yes.